Will silver be stealing the spotlight from gold this year? The metal up close to 15% this year. We're speaking with the CEO of First Majestic. Keith Neumeyer joins me here on the sidelines of Gold Stock Analyst Day. Keith, good to have you back on the show.
Well, nice seeing you again, Daniela.
So let's talk about silver. Good run up here. Thoughts?
You know, look, it's way overdue, quite frankly. And then, you know, my take on silver, I'm probably probably the single most aggressive silver bull in the space. Maybe Ted Butler's, would be a little bit crazier than I am. But, it's, when you see that what's happening in the industry, what the mining levels of the silver, the fact that we're only mining 9 to 1, and for it to, it's now below 60 to 1 on the ratio, but it should really be trading where at 9 to 10 to 1, where the production is matching that number.
Let's talk about First Majestic now. You just released some results. Can you give us an update of your mines, La Encantada, La Guitarra? What can we expect in 2017?
Significantly, we ended the year with the most cash in the bank ever in the company's history. We had $129 million in the bank account at the end of the year. So, as a CEO of a company that, has had its challenges over the last 4 years, with the dropping metal price and the fact that we were actually producing ounces at a loss for a while and had to really rewrite the ship and go in and cut our costs aggressively. And I think we're extremely successful in what we did. We cut our all-in sustaining costs by over 50%, over the last 3 years. And now all of a sudden we're making money every single quarter. The bank account's going up every quarter, which is a fantastic thing. So, we're now reinvesting capital. And that's really the key because, we had 3 mines actually produce less silver last year than it did in the previous couple of years. And that was a direct result of lack of investment in development primarily and also in exploration. So we are spending $124 million company-wide over the 6 mines. And there's a bit of a delay. It's not going to happen overnight, but within 12 to 18 months, we're going to see these mines start to produce at historic levels.
So is exploration going to be the main focus then? If 2016 was the turnaround year, is exploration really the focus for 2017?
Well, I think development is probably, more so. We drilled these assets out a lot, back in the early days of the company, and we've got a lot of ounces in the ground. So life of mine for us is not really an issue, but getting access to those ounces is really what is costly. We know, there's ounces a kilometer or 2 kilometers away from current mining activity because we've drilled it historically, but we didn't want to make the investment to access those ounces. So now we're reinvesting everything, and that's going to start to have payoffs.
So besides First Majestic, Keith, you're also behind First Mining Finance. You've been releasing a lot of drill results here. What's the strategy here? What can you tell us?
It is a change of strategy. When I put the company together back in 2015, it came public and took a couple of years to get it public, mind you. We went on a very aggressive acquisition campaign. We now have, I think, probably one of the best gold portfolios for any junior, particularly the fact that these are in Canada, mining-friendly, Canada. So it's not like, in some foreign land that's difficult for mining and then so on, like Brazil or Alaska, for example. These are Ontario, Quebec, Newfoundland. These are extremely good, safe jurisdictions and very mining friendly jurisdictions. So it became a point, we were buying these ounces in the ground for $10 an ounce. Wow. I've never seen valuations like that before. That's what compelled me to put First Mining together. But today those same ounces are trading at $40, $50, which are more, traditional, prices going back, 20, 30 years. So it's no longer makes sense to buy ounces. It's actually cheaper to drill ounces today than it is to buy ounces. And in 2015, when we were putting together the portfolio, it was actually cheaper to buy ounces, and that's why we did it.
Well, you've obviously been getting a lot of notice from our readers. Keith, you were named one of our top mining CEOs by Kitco viewers, so congratulations on your success.
Well, thank you
Continued
for
success.
all your followers. That was very nice to see.
And thanks for joining us here at GSA Day.
Well, great seeing you again.
And we'll have more coverage for you, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com. Thanks for watching.